Hello and welcome again to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today in our recipe we are going to make a simple recipe and it is very health beneficial. It is also using just tomato with 4 ingredients: tomato, salt, grounded black pepper and olive oil. It all started from when I moved from Malaysia to Canada, and my mother asked me to eat this dish. I don't know exactly what was the name of the dish, but now I know. It is just a quick tomato salad. So it is the first thing in the morning that she asked me to eat. First thing, half a tomato to 1 tomato, and to be chopped. Either I can use a Roma tomato or the wine tomato. The tomatoes are upon your own choice. Then you may use half a teaspoon or quarter teaspoon of grounded black pepper and a sprinkle of salt. This is the only thing that you require for your the salad. It's a very quick and easy salad, but the health benefits are marvelous. The health benefits are the skin starts to glow within 2 to 3 months time. As you continue to start to eat, you'll see some differences. For those who are having heart issues, and it helps the tomato, the olive oil, and this meal helps you to open up your valve and for more proper blood flow. And there are a lot of health benefits with the black pepper and the salt. Salt, be careful for those who are having high blood pressure. You may omit, or you may just put a little bit. Basically, that is what. For today, I am going to use a Roma tomato instead of this tomato. I'm going to use it for another dish. So I'm going to use Roma tomato, and after that, we are going to make this dish. And dear viewers, my tomato is already been chopped. So we start off with the olive oil. I am only going to use approximately about half a teaspoon of olive oil. So you may use extra if you want. And for this, I believe I need another teaspoon, another half a teaspoon. So olive oil. The next ingredient is salt, just a little, a sprinkle, and also followed by black pepper as you desire. I'm adding a sprinkles as well. Maybe it's about quarter teaspoon. And with that, we will put a fork, and it's ready to be consumed. I tried it myself when I was newly here in this country, and it really helped me actually, because I am a high blood pressure patient, and my high blood pressure is due to stress and lack of sleep and lack of rest. That is my main reason. But other than that, all this helped me with my heart health and also my blood pressure as well. And also my skin started to glow when I started eating this, and I saw the results within 3 months. It may be different for everybody, but it's a very helpful remedy for everyone to try. And also I would say, for those who are allergic to tomato, please avoid this, and especially raw tomatoes. And if you want, you can also add some salad greens or anything you wish. So this is a simple and easy dish that you should be taking early in the morning before breakfast. So thank you for watching Friday Friendly Kitchen, and I hope this video is beneficial for your health, heart health, skin health, and for many other things. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. And I do not know what am I going to make, but I will be making something for you. So till then, bye bye. And before I go, I also must say, those who are new, welcome aboard for watching my channel. For those who have been with me, thank you very much. And so see you soon. Signing off, Friday Friendly Kitchens.